We ended previous week as outside week down, closing at the lows, and for now the structure looks like we could see some follow through to the downside. Looking at volume point of controls for last week, last month and the last 3 months, we can see that we are now below 20 days and 5 days back to the point of control of last 3 months, and we are approaching view up from this swing low and also from last 3 months. We are around 50-day moving average. Below us at 36.24 is key inflection point from last 2 months, and below that another interesting area is 100-day moving average around 35.50, and below that we would be back within this bigger balance zone, and we would target 200-day moving average and this high volume node. Those are also 5% and 10% corrections. They are possible, but I don't see any immediate potential of those levels to be traded. We might trade for a while before we reach those zones. As of today, overnight opened and traded below yesterday's low, and that was pretty much it for the downside, and since then it trended higher for entire session. Now we are above this rally high from Friday, which is key if we are going to trade above it or below, and we can expect some volatility because we're going to open quite far away from Friday's close and around this key reference, so I think that we might see some early attempt or not to break above overnight high, and if we fail here, I think that we might break this area and get back to point of control from Friday. But saying that this is going to be a tricky trade because we might as well bounce from this area and trade higher, so I will be trying to, if I enter short, I will be exiting my main take profit in the overnight point of control, and I will be also monitoring if we can create excessive move here or bounce exactly from this area in order to trade higher, basically trapping those shorts and who were counting for a follow through for the next week, and we can squeeze higher like we did on Thursday. We traded quite away from the open before we started rolling over, so if this is the case today, I think that we can easily see a 50-point move to the upside, for example to this high volume node and this virgin point of control. If we start trading lower and correct this inventory, it is highly possible that we will do that. Then overnight halfback is also where we have volume point of control from Friday, and it is close to the settle. we will be back within value from Friday, so we can trade entire value area. So this is also a good opportunity to enter shorts if we break this area, enter on a retest and target those areas on the way down. Next important reference would be yesterday's low. Well, value area low, then yesterday's low. I'm not sure if I can enter longs right away or if we create an excess, because this is quite risky area. I'd like to see more confirmation, more structure build up higher before I can enter longs, or I would preferably see some acceptance below yesterday's low before I can short this market. So this is pretty much it. The week looks like we can see some really good opportunities because the volatility is back.